Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ripped smile on Dress to Impress. It's actually pretty simple to do, so let's get started with the video. For the face, yes, I did use custom makeup. I just added everything on, except I did not add a mouth, and I added this in red for the blood splatters. Then for the mouth, I used this halo headband, and then I colored it red, but I colored it a little bit darker than that. Then for the accessory adjustment, I did position Y at 0.18, Z at 0.74. Rotation, I did X at 0.05, and scale I did at 0.28. And that is pretty much it. It is the easiest accessory adjustment that you can probably do when you're not playing free play. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.